In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Kit. We'll walk through the full process together so you feel confident inviting new team members into your workspace and assigning the right level of access. First, make sure you're logged in to your Kit account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that profile icon. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Settings. This is where you control all of your account and workspace configuration, including your team. When the settings page opens, you'll see a menu along the left-hand side. From this left-hand sidebar, find and select the option labeled Team. Clicking Team will take you to the area where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Kit workspace and where you can invite new people. On the Team page, look for a button that says Invite Team Member. This is usually easy to spot, often near the top of the page. Click on Invite Team Member to start creating a new invitation. A form will pop up asking for a few details about the person you want to add. Here, you'll need to enter their name and their email address. Take a moment to double-check the email because this is where their activation link will be sent, and any typo can prevent them from receiving it. Next, you'll choose their role. Depending on how your organization works, you might select something like admin, editor, or viewer. Admins typically have full control, including managing settings and other users. Editors usually can create and modify content, but may have limited access to sensitive settings. Viewers are often restricted to viewing only, without the ability to make changes. Think about what this person needs to do in Kit and select the role that best matches their responsibilities. You can usually adjust this later if their responsibilities change. Once you've entered their name, email, and selected the appropriate role, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the Invite button. Kit will then email them an account activation link so they can join your workspace. After you send the invite, it's a good idea to let them know to check their inbox, and sometimes their spam or promotions folder, just in case. Once they click the activation link and set up their account, they'll appear on your team page with the role you assigned.